Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Today, we will relax by noticing our breath. Take one hand and place it over your belly button. Place your other hand on your chest. You should have one hand now on your belly and one hand on your chest. Breathe normally for a moment and notice each hand. Which hand is moving up and down most with every breath? Try breathing through your nose only. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Does anything change about the way your hands are moving up and down? Try breathing only through your mouth now. In through your mouth and out through your mouth. Does anything change about the way your hands are moving now? Now focus on the hand on your chest only. Breathe in a way that this hand is the only hand that rises and falls. How does this breath feel? Tight, forced, relaxed, calm. How does this breath feel? Let's try a different breath now. Let's breathe in a way that only our belly hand is the one that rises and falls. Take deep breaths so that only your belly hand rises and falls. How does this breath feel? Tight, forced, relaxed, calm. How does this breath make your whole body feel? Now relax your hands onto your lap or down by your side. Breathe normally and relax more and more with every breath. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.